everybody, this is Tom from Tom's Music Shop, and today I have got a special treat for you. I have a customer who's been looking for one of these accordions for quite a long time. I've been on the search for him and I finally found it, and it's a nice shape. Please don't forget to subscribe right away. Introducing the Hohner Piccolo accordion. This is a chromatic accordion, as you can see, with all the buttons. It's got 62 buttons here, and you can play either in a normal tone or in tremolo. On the bass side, you got 72 bass buttons, and it's small. It's about the size of a Corona. So that is super handy, has a nice sound, it's pretty loud, and it's just a very convenient size. Let's try to play this one time. See if I can figure this out. Again, the Hohner Piccolo accordion, 62 chromatic bass buttons on this side, 72, did I say bass buttons? Treble buttons, I mean, on this side, 72 bass buttons on that side. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.